right? So who owns the drone? What do people recommend to purchase drone-wise? And then the second part of it is how tough is it to learn the drone side of things?
Yes. So you would own the drone, you as the solar company. Really, for us, a drone is just another tool in your toolkit, right? Just as you have a ladder, you'll just add a drone to that. What drones we recommend or what drones are compatible with Scanifly? You have a variety of options. We made this intentionally drone agnostic, so you can buy the highest end drone if you want full automation, making sure you know it's gonna fly automatically for you, take the photos for you. There's a couple options that would do that. You're gonna have like obstacle avoidance. There's gonna be other options. Maybe you don't want to spend a lot of money on a high-end drone. You can get other drones that will have a little bit less of, let's say, obstacle avoidance. They'll still fly automatically. There might be a little bit more lightweight. So there's different price points, and we really, again, it's intentional, so you're not locked into a specific environment. We don't want something like, the manufacturer stops supporting a drone and now you have obsolete drones in your fleet, for example. You can go ahead and not use Scanifly and then go ahead and you can buy another one. So yeah, we have a list of recommended drones depending on what you're looking for as far as automation, obstacle avoidance, safety, price points, but there's different options. It's not difficult to learn how to fly a drone. Honestly, again, most of the work will be done by the drone itself, flying automatically. It's a matter of just really getting comfortable with the controls. Takes a couple of tries really to get up to speed and be really comfortable with flying the drone.